Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael.
If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode is just for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips. We are very happy to see you today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are learning English.
Yes, welcome everyone. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you enjoy learning slow and easy English, please support Mr. English Clips by liking and subscribing.
Today, we will talk about daily problems in simple English. These are small problems we all have every day, and we will practice talking about them calmly and clearly.
That's right, Emily. We will speak slowly, use easy words, and share real-life situations. This will help you feel more confident speaking English every day.
So please relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. You can repeat after us or just listen first. Learning English should feel friendly and comfortable.
Exactly. And remember, making mistakes is normal. Mistakes help us learn. Even we make mistakes sometimes, and that is okay.
Michael, can I start with a small daily problem? This morning, I woke up late and felt a little stressed and rushed.
Oh, I understand that feeling very well. When I wake up late, I feel nervous. My heart beats faster, and my morning feels messy.
Yes, exactly. I looked at the clock and thought, oh no, I am late. I did not have time for a calm breakfast.
That happens to many people. When we wake up late, our whole day can feel difficult. It is a very common daily problem.
When this happens, I try to tell myself, stay calm, Emily. But honestly, it is not always easy to stay calm.
Yes, staying calm sounds easy, but it takes practice. I sometimes take a deep breath and move a little faster, but not angrily.
That is a good idea. Taking a deep breath can really help. Viewers, you can practice this phrase. I woke up late today.
Good practice sentence, Emily. Another helpful sentence is, I feel stressed because I am late. You can use this sentence in many situations.
Michael, another daily problem I often have is traffic. When I go to work, the road is very busy and slow.
Oh, wow. Traffic can be very tiring. When I sit in traffic, I feel bored, annoyed, and sometimes sleepy.
Yes, me too. I look out the window and see many cars, but nobody is moving fast. It feels like time stops.
That is very true. Traffic teaches us patience, even when we do not want to learn patience.
When I am in traffic, I like to listen to calm music or English lessons. It helps me feel less angry.
That is a smart habit. Viewers, here is a useful sentence. There is a lot of traffic today. Please repeat it slowly.
And another sentence is, I am late because of traffic. This is very useful when talking to teachers, friends, or coworkers.
Emily, can I share a daily problem now? Sometimes I forget where I put my keys and I waste time looking for them.
Really? That happens to me too. I check my bag, my table, and even the fridge sometimes.
Yes, I once found my keys in a very strange place. I felt silly, but also relieved.
Forgetting things can make us feel frustrated. We may think, why am I like this? But it is very human.
Exactly. A good sentence to practice is, I cannot find my keys. This sentence is simple and very useful.
Another helpful sentence is, I forgot where I put it. You can use it for keys, phone, wallet, or glasses. Michael, many people have problems with sleep. Sometimes I cannot sleep well at night.
Yes, sleep problems are very common. When I do not sleep well, I feel tired, slow, and not very happy the next day.
I feel the same way. I lie in bed, close my eyes, but my mind keeps thinking about work and life.
That can be difficult. A good phrase for viewers is, I could not sleep well last night.
And another one is, I feel tired today. This is very simple, but it explains your feeling clearly.
Emily, do you have any small tips for better sleep?
Yes, I try to turn off my phone early and drink something warm. It does not fix everything, but it helps a little.
What about problems at work or school? Sometimes I feel nervous when I need to talk in front of people.
Oh, I understand that very well. Speaking in front of others can feel scary, especially in another language.
My hands feel cold and my voice feels weak. I think, what if I make a mistake?
That feeling is very normal. A helpful sentence is, I feel nervous when I speak in public.
Yes, and another good sentence is, I am afraid of making mistakes. Many learners feel this way.
But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a small step forward. Let's do a short role play. I will start. Michael, how was your day today?
Hmm. Honestly, my day was not very good. I woke up late, missed the bus, and felt rushed all morning.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. I'm sorry to hear that. What happened after you missed the bus?
I waited for the next bus, but it was very crowded. I stood the whole way and felt tired before work even started.
That does sound tiring. Did anything good happen later in the day?
Yes, actually. My friend smiled at me and said kind words. That small moment made me feel better.
That is nice. Sometimes one kind moment can change a bad day.
Emily, many people also worry about money. Sometimes I feel stressed when I think about bills and expenses.
Yes, money problems can be heavy on the heart. I sometimes think carefully before buying things.
A useful sentence is, I need to save money. This sentence is very common and important.
Another good sentence is, "This is too expensive for me." You can use this when shopping.
Talking calmly about money helps us make better decisions and feel more in control.
Michael, one thing I learned is to talk kindly to myself when I have problems.
That is very important. When we speak kindly to ourselves, we feel stronger and calmer.
I say things like, "It's okay. I am doing my best." This helps me relax.
Viewers, you can practice this sentence too. I am doing my best. It is a powerful and gentle sentence.
Let's practice some daily problem sentences together. I feel tired today.
I am stressed because of work.
I have too many things to do.
I need a short break.
These sentences are simple, but they help you explain your daily life clearly.
Emily, when we talk about daily problems, I feel closer to people. Everyone has problems, big or small.
Yes, sharing problems helps us feel less alone, and speaking about them in English helps us learn naturally.
Learning English is not only about words, it is also about feelings, understanding, and connection.
Beautifully said, Michael. Dear viewers, thank you so much for learning with us today on Mr. English Clips.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident talking about your daily problems in English.
Please remember to practice a little every day. Speak slowly, speak kindly, and do not be afraid of mistakes.
Enjoy learning English, enjoy connecting with people, and enjoy your daily life, even with small problems.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who want to learn English.
See you next time. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep enjoying your English learning journey. Bye-bye.